Hello guys, this is Shrey and you are watching Access Speed. So today in this video I am going to show you how to make a ring light for your TikTok videos or anything like YouTube videos or other videos. For making the ring light you will need cardboard. I have just cut the cardboard for making the video short in circular shape and like a strip. You can take the diameter of your own measurement, and you will also need a LED strip lights and a lipo battery, or you can also use a use and throw 9-volt battery. And you will also need a tracing paper. This is the tracing paper. You will also need a trace paper for making the light softer, and you will also need a foil paper. So first take the strips. So first take the strips.
my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Thank you guys for watching my video. So now we will test our ring light. You can see that I have off the lights and close the curtains. Now we will test our ring light. We will test our ring light. This is how our ring light works. It's very powerful. You can see this. You can also see the texture. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I have also started the TikTok ID. Here my TikTok ID will be coming. So please go and follow me. And also follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye bye.